To check your account balance on Masraf Al Rayan, Switzerland, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Access online banking. Visit the Masraf Al Rayan, Switzerland website and log into your online banking account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account summary. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select your account. If you have multiple accounts, select the specific account for which you want to check the balance. This will bring up detailed information about that account. Step 4. View balance. Look for the balance information displayed on the account details page. It should clearly show your current balance along with any recent transactions. Step 5. Log out securely. After checking your balance, ensure you log out of your online banking session to protect your account information. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance at Masraf Al Rayan, Switzerland. Remember to keep your login details secure for future access.